Hello, family. Welcome back to Daily English Talk, the channel where you learn real, everyday English with your two favorite friends.
That's me, Tom.
And I'm Lily. Every single day, we bring you a new English lesson.
And today's topic is so much fun.
We are talking about weekends. Yes, what do Americans do on Saturdays and Sundays? How do they relax? How do they spend time with family and friends?
And trust me, some of the things Americans do on weekends are very surprising.
Or very Tom.
I don't know what that means, Lily. I am a very normal person.
He is not normal.
I heard that.
Stay with us for the full video, because at the end, we have a very important question for you to answer in the comments. Let's go! Okay, before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, a question. I love questions. Unless it's math, then I don't love questions.
Don't worry, no math today. Here is the question. Tom had a very funny weekend one time. He tried to do something very relaxing, but it went completely wrong. Can you guess what happened to Tom?
Oh, no. Are we telling that story?
Yes, we are, Tom.
Fine. But let me just say, it was not my fault.
Watch the full video and find out what happened. Leave your guess in the comments below. Now, let's start learning. Okay, Tom, let's talk. It's Friday afternoon. The weekend is coming. What are your plans?
Oh, great question, Lily. This weekend, I want to sleep in on Saturday.
Sleep in? What does that mean?
It means I want to stay in bed late in the morning. No alarm, no phone, just me and my pillow.
Aw, that sounds wonderful. I love sleeping in on weekends, too.
And then on Saturday afternoon, I want to go to a farmer's market. They have fresh fruit, vegetables, homemade bread. It's amazing.
Oh, I love farmers markets. Very popular in America.
And Sunday, I want to watch the game.
Of course you do, Tom.
Sports are a big part of American weekends, Lily. It's culture.
It is true. So today, we are going to learn all the important words for American weekend activities. Ready?
Ready.
Before our vocabulary lesson, let's look at a grammar structure you will use a lot when talking about weekends.
Which one?
We use I like to or I love to plus a verb. For example, I like to sleep in. I love to cook on Sundays.
Simple and very useful.
We also use I usually plus a verb for habits. For example, I usually go to the park on Saturdays, or I usually watch TV on Sunday evenings.
I usually eat too much food on Sundays. Is that a sentence?
Yes, Tom, that is a perfect sentence.
Thank you. I am a grammar star.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Ready? I like to relax on weekends.
I like to relax on weekends.
I usually sleep in on Saturdays.
I usually sleep in on Saturdays.
I love to spend time with my family.
I love to spend time with my family. Aw, that's sweet.
Great work. Now let's learn our vocabulary. Our first word is sleep in. Let's spell it together. S-L-E-E-P-I-N. Sleep in.
Sleep in.
It means to stay in bed longer than usual in the morning. You wake up late because you don't have work or school.
My favorite activity.
Example sentences. Number 1. On Saturdays, I love to sleep in until 9 a.m. Number 2. My kids always sleep in on Sunday mornings.
Okay, let me tell you my sleep-in story. One Saturday morning, I decided to sleep in. No alarm, no plans, just rest.
Ugh, that sounds perfect.
Lily, I woke up at 12:30 in the afternoon.
Oh, Tom, that is very late.
I know, and I was so hungry, but I didn't want breakfast food, and it was too late for lunch, so I just stood in my kitchen for 10 minutes staring at my refrigerator.
What did you eat?
Cereal. I ate cereal at 12:30 in the afternoon, like a confused child.
Oh, Tom.
But I was very relaxed, so I think it was worth it.
Tom, did you set an alarm for tomorrow?
Absolutely not. It's Saturday. I'm going to sleep in.
Lucky you. I have to wake up early.
That's very sad, Lily. I feel sorry for you.
Word number 2. Hang out. Spell it with me. Hangout. Hang out.
Hang out.
Hang out means to spend time relaxing with friends or family. It's very casual and informal. Americans say this all the time.
All the time.
Example sentences. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Or, we hung out at the park on Saturday.
I have a hangout story.
Of course you do.
My friends and I planned to hang out last weekend. We said, let's meet at 2 o'clock.
Nice. Simple plan.
Lily, one friend came at 2:15, one friend came at 3, one friend texted me at 4:30 and said, hey, are you still there?
Oh, no.
I was there since 1:50 because I didn't want to be late. I sat alone for almost 3 hours.
Tom, why didn't you leave?
Because the nachos at that restaurant were really, really good, Lily. I just kept ordering more nachos.
I can't decide if that's sad or smart.
It was both. It was both. Hey, Lily, do you want to hang out after class?
Sure, what do you want to do?
Let's go get some coffee and just relax.
Perfect. I love that idea. Word number 3, road trip. Spell it. RAODTRIP. Road trip.
Road trip!
A road trip is when you travel by car to another city or place, usually for fun. Road trips are very, very popular in the United States on weekends.
Americans love road trips. The country is big and there are so many beautiful places to drive to.
Example sentences. We took a road trip to the mountains last weekend. Or, a road trip is the best way to see America.
Road trip story time.
Ready?
Last summer, my friend and I planned a road trip. 4 hours, beautiful destination, great music, perfect plan.
Sounds amazing.
1 hour into the trip, we realized neither of us brought snacks.
No snacks?
No snacks, Lily. On a road trip, it was like going swimming without water. It makes no sense.
What did you do?
We stopped at every gas station for the next 3 hours. I ate 2 bags of chips, 1 chocolate bar, a hot dog, and something I still don't know the name of.
Tom!
The destination was beautiful, though. 10 out of 10. 5 out of 10 for preparation.
Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
Yes, my family and I are going on a road trip to the beach.
Oh, how wonderful! How long is the drive?
About 3 hours. We're leaving early on Saturday morning.
That sounds like so much fun. Don't forget snacks.
Never again, Lily. Never again.
Word number 4, and this one is very American. Barbecue. Let's spell it. BARBEQUE. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
A barbecue, or we also say BBQ, is when you cook food outside on a grill. Americans love to have barbecues on weekends, especially in summer.
The smell of barbecue on a Saturday afternoon, there is nothing better in this world.
Tom loves barbecue.
Everyone loves barbecue.
Example sentences. We're having a barbecue in the backyard on Sunday. Or, my neighbor invited us to their barbecue this weekend.
I have a barbecue story. Obviously.
Obviously.
I decided to have a barbecue for my friends. Very confident, very prepared. I bought the food, I set up the grill, everything was perfect.
So, what went wrong?
I forgot to buy the charcoal.
Tom!
I had a beautiful grill, amazing food, wonderful friends, and no fire. Nothing, just a cold metal box in my backyard.
What did you do?
We ordered pizza. 12 people, 12 pizzas. In my backyard, next to the useless grill.
But was it still fun?
Actually, it was the best party I ever had. Everyone was laughing so much. Good lesson. Your friends make the party, not the food.
Aw, that's actually really sweet, Tom.
I'm a very deep person.
Hey, are you free on Sunday afternoon?
I think so. Why?
We're having a barbecue. Burgers, hot dogs, corn, everything.
That sounds amazing. Can I bring something?
Just bring yourself and maybe some charcoal, just in case.
I'll bring 2 bags.
Word number 5, farmer's market. Farmersmarket. Farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
A farmer's market is an outdoor market where local farmers and small businesses sell fresh food, fruits, vegetables, bread, flowers, honey, and more. These are very popular in American cities and towns on weekend mornings.
They are so fun to walk around, and everything is so fresh and delicious.
Joyful example sentences. I always go to the farmer's market on Saturday mornings. Or, she bought fresh strawberries and homemade jam at the farmer's market.
My farmer's market story is actually a happy one.
Really? A happy Tom story?
Don't be so surprised. So I went to the farmer's market last month, and there was this old man selling homemade honey. He let me try a little bit.
And?
It was the most delicious thing I have ever tasted in my entire life, Lily. I stood there for 5 minutes with my eyes closed, just experiencing the honey.
That is very dramatic.
I bought 4 jars. I put it on everything for 2 weeks. Bread, yogurt, coffee, carrots.
Carrots?
Okay, carrots was a mistake, but everything else was perfect.
Good morning. Where are you going so early?
To the farmer's market. Do you want to come?
Oh, yes. I need to buy some fresh vegetables and maybe some flowers.
Perfect. And I need to find more of that amazing honey.
How many jars this time?
Only 6, maybe 7.
Our last word today, unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D. Unwind.
Unwind.
Unwind means to relax and stop worrying after a busy or stressful time. When you unwind, you feel calm and peaceful. It's perfect for the weekend.
I love unwinding.
Example sentences. I like to unwind by reading a book on Sunday evenings. Or, after a hard week at work, he just wanted to unwind at home.
My unwinding story.
Tell us.
I had a very long, very stressful week, so on Friday night, I decided to completely unwind. I made a warm cup of tea, I put on a cozy blanket, I turned on a quiet, relaxing show.
Ah, that sounds perfect.
And then my phone battery died, and I didn't have my charger with me in the living room.
Oh, no.
So I just sat there, in silence, under my blanket, with my tea.
Was it terrible?
Lily, it was the most relaxed I have ever been in my entire life. No phone, no notifications, no noise, just tea and blanket.
Lily, you discovered something very important.
I know, but I still brought my charger the next night.
You look tired. Are you okay?
It was a long week. I just need to unwind.
What helps you relax?
Honestly, a hot cup of tea and no phone. Works every time.
Maybe you should lose your charger more often. Great work today, everyone. Let's review all our words one more time.
Number 1, sleep in, to stay in bed late in the morning.
Number 2, hang out, to spend relaxed time with friends or family.
Number 3, road trip, a long drive to another place for fun.
Number 4, barbecue, cooking food outside on a grill.
Number 5, farmer's market, an outdoor market with fresh, local food.
And number 6, unwind, to relax and feel calm after a busy time.
These words are perfect for talking about your own weekends.
Now use them. Tell us in the comments, which of these activities do you do on weekends? Okay, now it's time to answer our hook question from the beginning of the video.
Here we go.
I asked you this. Tom tried to do something very relaxing on the weekend, but it went completely wrong. What happened?
The answer is, I tried to have a barbecue for my friends. Beautiful grill, amazing food, wonderful people.
And what did you forget, Tom?
I forgot to buy the charcoal.
No fire, no barbecue.
No fire, no barbecue, 12 confused friends standing in my backyard looking at a cold grill.
So what did you do?
We ordered 12 pizzas and had the best party of my life.
Aw, did you guess correctly? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Daily English Talk today. You are doing such an amazing job learning English every day.
Every single day, you are getting better. We are so proud of you.
Remember, good things happen one word at a time, one lesson at a time, and you are here learning, and that makes you incredible.
Don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us, what do you usually do on weekends? Do you sleep in? Hang out with friends? Have a barbecue?
We read every single comment, and we love hearing from you.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every single day. Tom and I will be here waiting for you.
With tea and maybe some barbecue.
See you in the next lesson, everyone. Keep going. You've got this.
Bye-bye.
Bye.